Hey guys, my name is Penguin, DJ Penguin. So I'm gonna review a new toy called, not new toy. I just bought it. The new Hot Wheels, not new, Hot Wheels Porsche Carrera GT. Excuse me, Porsche Carrera GT Hot Wheels. I just see these two the pegs. This one has error wheels. Bad packaging. See? Bad packaging. If you look at this black one, you have numbers on it. And second, nothing. I just bought this for only $2.99. US dollars. So, I'm gonna review these two Porsche Carreras GT, black and yellow. This one is have an error. Look, and have a bad packaging. So let's open it. First one is the Porsche Carrera GT in yellow. You see bad packaging, tapes on it, but I found it good price. And it's very rare now because it's from 2016, last year, and after weeks, it's 2018. So let's open this package. I just got them all faster. Oh, a reviewing table. If you look to the car, it's very nice and have front details. It looks like it's a hand paint, huh? Front details. Yeah, look to the outer wheels. It's black. And we found good back details. Porsche Carrera GT from Hot Wheels. Good back details. Nice details. Even the front. Yeah, nice details. This is metal. Not metal. Die cast body. Plastic base. It's only for, if you cannot see it, I'm gonna focus it. See? It's 2016. J means 2016. If you don't know that, just go to Race Group's channel for more information. So after I open this yellow Porsche Carrera GT, you can get the code in the back if you want. You can see it. It's ZJVUJ. You want to get the code at the HotWheels.com collectors. If you do not own the Porsche Carrera, and I'm not out of focus it. You know, it's out of focus, so you can look at another code again. See? This Porsche Carrera is good, but I really want the black one. I'm gonna put this at the side. And let's open the black one. The black one is pretty cool. It's a black Maltail. Look. Let's open it. I just got them. Third. Oh no. Top to the top. Oh, just nothing. So, this is the black Porsche Carrera GT Hot Wheels. I can't find the Zima color of the Porsche Carrera. So I just found these two at the pegs. And I'm just looking for the Zima version. And look, this is the pretty cool car that I found. Black Porsche Carrera. Good front details. Side details. Back details. And side details again. Look to the interior. It's very cool. Then this one is just pretty normal. Just black interior and yellow. Maybe they just opposite the colors. Same like casting. Metal body and plastic base. If you look, there's another code. You cannot see, it's gonna have to focus. H, it means that you will get it. Just look at the back of the package and you look it. It's a D case. D case. In there. D9 case. It's from D case. And look to the other side. Is even a D case from the other side. If you want to get this is the 2016 D case assortment. 2 Porsche Carreras. You can vote what do you want, the black or the yellow. I like the black one because it's pretty cool. The yellow one that's my favorite color, but I don't like it, the color combos. Yellow and black. I really want the black and yellow. Pretty cool tampos. See? Tampos. Not tampos, details. Decals. If you look, they can go side by side comparison. The yellow one have black wheels. Maybe that's an error. Oh no, I just scrolled down. The yellow one have arrow wheels. In the package, it's yellow wheels, if you can see. Yellow wheels in the package. But I bought it in black wheels. Maybe that's an error. Oh, I just rolled down my Porsche Carrera again. Porsche Carrera Black GT is just side by side comparison. See, look. The black one is pretty cool than the yellow one. And thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos. DJ Penguin here is going home. Just keep like, subscribe for more new content.